Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Ford F-150 concept redefines the pickup truck genre, blending rugged durability with futuristic sophistication. Its chiseled exterior features a commanding front grille, adaptive LED headlights, and aerodynamically crafted lines that exude power and elegance. A step-by-step exploration reveals robust 22-inch alloy wheels, a durable aluminum body, and a seamless tailgate design with built-in storage. Pros: stunning aesthetics, innovative aerodynamics. Cons: conservative color options. Inside, the cabin radiates luxury. Step by step, you'll notice premium leather upholstery, customizable ambient lighting, and a spacious layout. The dashboard, with its massive touchscreen interface, integrates advanced navigation, voice control, and driver assistance features. Pros: intuitive tech, exceptional comfort. Cons: learning curve for advanced features. Performance is a marvel. Step by step, the hybrid powertrain delivers 450 horsepower with smooth acceleration and impressive towing capacity. Adaptive suspension ensures a refined ride, whether on highways or rugged terrains. Pros: unmatched power, excellent fuel efficiency. Cons: slightly higher maintenance costs. Priced at an estimated $70,000, it targets professionals and families who demand versatility. Competitors like the Ram 1500 TRX and Chevrolet Silverado EV offer challenges, but the F-150 concept edges ahead with its blend of tradition and innovation. With a top speed of 120 miles per hour, it offers a balanced driving experience, blending utility with refinement. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford F-150 concept excels in design, technology, and performance, making it ideal for those valuing style and functionality. Its evolutionary leap solidifies Ford's legacy, setting benchmarks for the segment.